Hope everyone is doing well during this period. If anyone required healing, then let me know about that. My email ID is given in the description box, or else you can join any of the group and you can mention over there. Welcome on day 5 of our challenge program. Eat a bowl of fruits every day before sunset. Coming to the benefits of eating fruits. Eating fruits every day lowers the risk of developing diseases. It helps to control blood pressure. Some fruits secretes insulin, hence they fight diabetes type 2. It has fructose in it and not glucose. Eating fruits lead to healthier life. It helps make your bones and muscles stronger. Water content in the fruit help you to keep hydrated. All the fruits have antioxidants which combat free radicals. Free radicals. These are unstable atoms that damages healthy cells and lead to the diseases. Fruits have higher fiber content. It prevents constipation and lowers risk of heart diseases. They have low calories, hence help to lose weight. They make you feel full for longer time. Fruits are full of vitamins and minerals which are vital to our survival. It makes the skin glow. Fruits boost brain power. It makes you energized and it keeps your digestive system happy. It is not necessary to eat mixed fruits always. Even you can have one kind of at a time. This one simple challenge will give you many benefits. For further challenges, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. For more surprises, have a look on description box. See you tomorrow.